In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Sudotack ST-810 podcast microphone and give it a little test out. Let's jump in. Hey, it's Graham Farmer from Data Transmission, and today I'm doing an unboxing. Hurrah, I've got some new kit. And the lovely people at Sudotack have sent me this podcasting mic 810, the ST-810. This is a professional mic, it's got a pop filter, it's got swivels, it's got a table stand, and it's going to be great for my podcast. For those of you who have not listened to it already, I'll drop that in the link below. It's called the Boost Podcast. It's on iTunes, Spotify, Stitcher, Anchor, and all those lovely platforms you go listen to podcasts on. We've had some amazing guests. We've just started season 2, which has included a beardy man. There's a video, I'll put that in the card above. Also, my interview with David Guetta. If you've not seen that, I'll put that in the card above. It's also on, if you like to listen to stuff, it's on podcast too. We've got original content on there. There's content from me just talking about big subjects in the music business, and loads of interviews. We've got another packed scheduled season coming up, and we're now three episodes into it. So let's jump into this unboxing. I'm really excited to test this microphone out. It's really going to level up the podcast. And let's jump in and start pulling it apart and see what's in the box. Right, so let's crack into this box and see what comes inside. Little thingy for the mic, cool. Here's the actual mic. It's pretty tasty. Pretty tasty. Decent size, decent quality, decent build quality. Cable to connect to the computer. Here's this, looks like the stand. Oh yeah, here's the stand. This is cool. So the mic will all fit into there like that. So we've got the mic, it's in its little holder, perfect. And then what's else in this box? Here is the, this is the stand. And that attaches to the mic stand holder thing there. That's that. So we're sort of forming the stand now. That goes in there, perfect. And that's kind of the mic there, like that basically. Let's move this box out of the way. Let's go into the second level. Second level is basically, this is the stand, the full stand. It's pretty weighty, it's good, it's not going to pull it over. It's got some heavy weight to it. And again, so this is now going to screw into the bottom of here to make the mic. Really cool microphone. I'm going to really enjoy using this for my podcasts. And then the final thing is the pop shield. So for those who don't know what pop shield is, words like P and they come with plosives, which pop as you come out your mouth, and the pop shield stops those happening. And then this just attaches to the main stand here and goes basically in front of your front of the mic and between you. So when you say things like put, it doesn't pop on the mic and creates a nice sound. So here we have our mic. This is looking cool now, so it's nice and stable. Obviously I'm humongous, so I want it up as high as possible. For those who don't know, I'm a big guy. And we want to move then move this up to go in line with it. I'm going to push the mic down a little bit so it sits level. There we go, like that. Tighten it all up. Our cable just plugs in the bottom of the mic in here. And voila, that then goes into your computer. Perfect. I really love it. I'm going to test it out. One thing we can say about this microphone is that it is a cardio condenser microphone, which means you need to speak straight into it at a certain position. And make sure that the logo is pointing at the start, the front. It's all lined up front. If you speak to the side, it's not going to work as well. If you need to be straight into it and speak straight onto it. Let's do a little test. This is obviously coming out of the microphone at the top here of my Rode microphone for my camera, and I can also now record let's do a record straight into the microphone here in front of me into my Audition, and then we can we'll see here, be able to hear the difference. This is a lot richer, a lot warmer, and the build quality of this is definitely going to help that. Like I said before, it's the quality of this is really solid. The microphone's build quality is really solid, and it really makes a really great sound. There we have it. I really enjoyed the Sudotack ST Condenser Cardioid microphone. Really good quality, really good build quality, really good price, and I definitely recommend, if you're going to be starting a podcast, which you should definitely do, then you should definitely get this microphone. It's good value for money, it's good quality, and I'll be using it for all my podcasts going forward. As I said, season 2 is launching on Boost Podcast in the link below. Go and check them out, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed that content. Anything you want to know, drop me a comment below, and I'll reply and try and give you some answers. See you again next time. I've been Graham Farmer.